Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I showed how I made this grilled barbecue catfish. Stay with me as I show you. I had used alum to remove the slime off this fish. This is the easiest way that I know. Please guys, if there is another way, please leave it in the comment section and I'll be glad to try it out. And then it was time for me to blend all the gingers, pepper, garlic, seasoning, salt, and oil that I'll be using for garnishing this fish. I blended all together and all I did was just to rub it in. It was also the easiest way for me. Here comes the oka patapata of the occasion. I started by filling it in with the already blended garnishing sauce that we've made earlier. And then I remembered that I hadn't made any incisions on the fish so the sauce could go in properly. This is what I'm doing right here. This helps everything go in very well and the taste comes out better. I made sure that every part of the fish had the feel of the sauce or the garnishing that we've made earlier. This is exactly what I'm doing here. Every part has to be filled with it, and then it was time to wrap.
By thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
I don't know if it is just me, but grilled catfish always go well with a little coleslaw by the side. The taste is heavenly. Do try it and tell me how you feel, or thank me later.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
30 minutes later, the fish came out, and honestly, I wouldn't lie, it was a very, very beautiful sight to behold. Like, from the thumbnail, you see that I'd already started eating the fish before I remember to take the thumbnail. That was how sweet this fish was. So guys, if you've watched up to this point, I'm sure you love what you see. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and please do all the good stuff. Leave a very beautiful comment for me. Thank you guys. See you in my next video.
Let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. Inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse.